Hi guys, welcome back to another Arduino tutorial for beginners. Today I'm going to show you how to use the RGB LED and how to connect it to Arduino board. RGB LED are like three LED in one. RGB stands for red, green and blue. It looks like you have a three LED, red LED and green LED and blue LED, but in one. If you see the RGB LED, you will see four legs, and the longest legs is common leg. They come mostly in two versions, common anode and the other one is a common cathode. In my case, I'm using a common anode. This longest leg is the common anode. That means I have to connect the longest legs to 5 volt. If you're using the common cathode, you have to connect the longest legs to the ground. Okay, let's get started to connect this RGB LED to Arduino board. First, I connect this one to my breadboard. I have to remember the longest legs, which pin I'm using. Okay, and then I'm using the 3 resistor. In my case, I'm using 3 resistor with 330 ohm, and connect the first leg to the first resistor, and I'm connecting the third legs to the RGB LED, and the last one connected to the fourth leg. And the common anode, I have to connect that leg. I don't need a resistor for that. I have to connect the leg which was the second leg. I'm gonna connect it to the 5 volts on my Arduino board. Okay, the first leg I connected to the pin number 9, and the other leg, which is the third leg, I connect to pin number 10, and the last one I'm gonna connect it to pin number 10. Okay, now here you see I wrote a small program to demonstrate how to change the color on your RGB LED. Here I defined my pins, the red for pin number 9 and green for pin number 10 and blue for pin number 11. In setup, I assign all these 3 pins as an output. And here down I wrote 3 functions, red, green and blue. For turning the red LED, I set the red high and the other one low. And green, for green light, I set the green LED high and the red and blue low, and blue the same things. And here in the loop, I just make another loop to count 100 times, and first time I call the red function to turn on the red LED and stay for 100 milliseconds, or I put 1000 for 1 second is better. For 1 second red LED stays on, and then after that green LED stays for 1 second, and then the blue LED stays for another 1 second. I'm gonna connect a USB cable to my Arduino board. I think I already upload the program to RGB light, but I do it one more time. Here as you see, it changed in color. Probably the camera doesn't show. I can maybe lower the brightness, you can see the changing color here. Yeah, it changing different color. Probably you don't see in a video the same color I see, but this is the way how do you change the color. This I use here in the program actually the digital signal. If you but you're able to combine all these color together with the analog signal, and is you can have a million of colors from this one LED RGB LED. I have another program I can demonstrate it to you as an analog signal, but this is a long program. I don't want to confuse you guys. Just I upload the program again to Arduino board to show you how to change the brightness, color, and combine all colors together. Here, let's get started. And then I'll lower the brightness of my camera. You can see the demonstration of that. You can see blue, red, green, and different brightness, pink. Yeah, this was with the analog signal. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe in my channel, and see you guys soon. Bye.